This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Perry. Lightly lived in and newer. Taylor Morrison built in 2019, this highly functional Farnese floor plan boasts over 2,000 square feet of living and is situated in the gated community of Estero Pointe. A hidden gem. This beautifully appointed home provides southern exposure and preserved privacy. Luxury plank flooring throughout, state-of-the-art appliances, quartz countertops, and a water softener system. 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath plus study, an oversized 2-car garage with plenty of room to add a pool and/or a fence for your furry family members. Estero Pointe is a natural gas community with only 64 single-family homes. Situated west of 41 close to Coconut Point Mall, FGCU, and SWFL International Airport. Walking distance is the lush oasis-style community pool with added entertaining and barbecue area. Don't miss the opportunity to enjoy the sunny